my name's Jason Viewers, and here I am again in the beautiful night and day window decor showroom in the heart of the city of Toronto at 1075 Yonge Street. And what I'm going to talk about now is it the remote part 2? So here we are trying to problem solve our shade that isn't engaging at the moment. So we're going to take a look at our remote. I know that this is shade is under channel 2, and I'm going to hit down. I notice our shade is not moving. So I'm going to problem solve number 2. I'm going to press and release the manual button on the shade, and I notice that our shade is in fact engaged and working properly. So I'm thinking this could very well be the remote issue. So what I need to do now is program the remote to the shade. So I'm going to do that by pressing and holding the stop button until I see the lights illuminating and flashing. I'm going to hit channel 2, and I'm going to come back over to the shade. I'm going to press the manual button and up at the same time. And we'll notice that our shade jogs. I'm going to go back to the remote and either wait for it to time out, or I'm going to press and hold the stop button until it stops flashing. So here we are, we're on channel 2, and now I'm going to see if the remote will communicate to my blind. I'm going to engage the remote, channel 2, and up. So now our remote is now communicating effectively to our blind, and we are happy again. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you on the next video.